Hi, Kara Sheftel with BDS, and we're getting a lot of questions about HP Smart. Let's talk about it. HP Smart is a desktop application put out by HP to help you manage your printer, whether it's how to get ink for your printer or toner for your printer. It helps you set up scanning in an environment where you may not have managed IT, and it can help you print with the right settings, whether you're doing photos or PDFs. It's a great product for consumers who are not IT savvy and are a little bit mystified by how to network things. However, if you're looking in a professional office environment, it's not the right product for you. If you have an IT person at your company or a third-party IT group, they can help you assist setting up your printers and copiers the way that makes sense for your business. And those are a little bit more nuanced, a little bit more streamlined, and a little bit more secure. For all things print, you can reach us at bdsdoc.com. Like and follow this channel, and if you need help setting up your printers, get one from BDS.